And we have the technical session number 9, and our subject is uh, quality control for the files. So before going ahead, I will request you to subscribe our videos and also the bell icon press in order to get the next video very instantly. So let us come to the subject. Files are precast also and in situ also. So precast have no required the quality control. It is already on the grounds, make the quality measures. For the in situ cast piles, we are going to discuss about what are the quality measures of the piles. Mostly, this is very challenging a job for the contractor, consultant, and all stakeholders, because this is the fit of the building or fit of the structure, or we can say this is the root of the major structure. So, first of all, the mixed design and the concrete itself should be self-compacted and homogeneous and uniform with our durability measures in accordance to the approved mixed design and the project required specification and the regulation and whatever it is. So there are 5 types. First is the dynamic load, and second is the static load. In dynamic loads, we will put the weight of the concrete stones according to the working load, more than the 1.5 times the working load pressure. We will put this and monitor the settlement. And second one is the static. Static will in the long direction, although the center point load is on the piles and manometer is there, and the also measuring deflection and the settlement is also device is there. We can measure that one also. So then there is non-destructive test. This is the integrity and the dynamic load. So non-destructive test helps the potential defects of the might be happen during the piles casting, maybe some mistake, some error can, and during transportation and installation in case it's according to the site condition, it can be happen. So construction and installation and defects and durability performance, it should be covered during the cost in situ process very carefully, and more about the inconsistency in pile crosshole shape, necking, bulging, and integrity problems of the concrete piles, cracks, and discontinuities. It must be during the installation, and the strength and the capacity of the piles. Quality control measures for the pile. Different methods have been developed to evaluate the quality control of the piles apart from the general concrete test. Concrete, slender, whatever slumps it is. This is the fresh concrete test. All these measures should be carried out step by step in accordance to the relevant specification and the method statements. So destructive test is method can be evaluate the quality of reliability and of the pile concrete. These tests can be help identify and qualify integrity and the quality related following tests: low strain impact integrity testing, ultrasonic crosshole sonic testing, parallel seismic testing. this will be according to ACI 228.2R for the piles covered and by the piles caps also. Pile cap need the special treatments, which will be the pre-pack material, and this will be according to the approved method statement. Up to certain level of pile, it can be isolated from the previous concrete, and according to the required thickness, pile cap should be casted and treated according to the approved material. Which is mostly pre-packed material. So dose strength impact integrity test can be used to assess the integrity and the consistency of pile. The test work best on the reliability of the pile, driven piles, augured piles, and the drilled piles. Mostly these piles are 2-3 types, which is TP, temporary casing, and CFA, central fly auger boring, and secant pile. Secant pile, it is mostly for the sea protection or the land protection. One is female, one is male, and then it is going on according to the requirements of the land. So it is in a one direction, like a you can say like a wall, protection wall. So second pile, one is male, one is female, and one is reinforced, one is non-reinforced. This is also a types of the piles, but it depends upon. And the CSA, it depends upon the soil investigation, because if the soil of the strata is more muddy, so it will be mechanical drills. So drill will go down, and when it will come up, complete hole will not collapse. It will stay for some time. So immediately insert the rebar cage into the hole and press it from the crane or jack or whatever the device is there up to the certain required depth, settle it and concrete it. So this is very fast, and for the shallow cases, if your foundation is shallow, so it is the recommended. So these are the quality measures for the piles, and to ensure that all the concrete and damages inside and integrity and whatever the requirements is all in perfect condition. So this is the quality control for the piles. And we have the next topic also, aging of the concrete. We will discuss that one, how the concrete can show the age up to what limits. So that in next session we will discuss that one also. So hopefully you like this one, and I request you again to subscribe, share, and like, and press the bell icon also. Thank you very much, and see you again, and have a nice day. Thank you very much.